Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this iPhone 17, and this is from the real user, and he opted for that color, which is pretty good. And in the box content, the mobile handset and the charging cable or the data cable, you can say. Adapter we need to purchase separately, and this is iPhone 17. We'll see the box unboxing from the starting. Yeah, the user has purchased this mobile from the offline store, not online store, and this got the Super Retina XDR display, which is very good display, and the resolution is shown on the screen. You can just check for the details, and the price is around for 78,000 in the offline store, or 72,000 with the exchange of the old mobile. The user got this mobile. Yeah, and this is just turned on, and the look and the design is really good, and the back cameras are 48 megapixels, and also the second camera, the primary and the secondary, is the 48 megapixel, and the front is 18 megapixel camera. And the user has checked the camera quality, which is pretty good and decent, and it got image stabilization sensor and video recording while moving. Also, this phone will capture really good, record really good. Okay, if we go to general and then about section, just want to show you the name iPhone version 26.2, and the model name is iPhone 17. That is what I have mentioned, right? iPhone 17. Yeah, and coming to the online availability, this is available on Flipkart too, and the prices are somewhat similar. On online it is showing like 82, but the user got the 72 for with the exchange offer. Okay, he exchanged the old mobile, and he is pretty much satisfied with this. And once the user uses this for at least a month, we can post a review video on that about the battery working time, and the camera quality, and the overall user experience. See here, this is 82,900. Yeah, the build quality is really good, the cameras are good. Even though if we opt for other colors, the price is not changing, the price is still the same. And if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments, and in the next video we are going to unbox the adapter for this mobile. You can check the link in the description if you want that video of adapter. The adapter also the user has purchased from the offline store only. The price details and everything I'll be posting in that video, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.